Damn right I'm somebody.
Crazy.
Oh shit!
Damn right.
It was my birthday weekend, so we decided to come to Vegas, rent some razors, and ride them through the Mojave Desert. Things were going pretty smooth. We were having fun. Then, boom. My brother broke the razor. It was some awkward silence. He told us don't worry about it. So we got the hell out of there and went to the strip.
Only in Vegas. Check this out. Oh my God. Yes.
I met the Chinese Elvis, aka Chelvis, and fake Michael Jackson. Then I met the living legend himself, the real Carlos Santana. We had a few drinks. He gave me advice on ladies, investment properties, and he told me since I've been to Vegas before, why don't I go someplace I've never been? So, I was on my way to Belize. Belize is beautiful. The weather is great. The people are friendly. The food is amazing. And the US dollar stretches so far. I bought tacos for the entire neighborhood for $5, and one family let me use their scooter. This sign was very disturbing to me. I'm from Philly, and in the really good neighborhood, you might have a duck crossing sign, but not a jaguar crossing sign. The locals told me not to worry because they only attack at night. And if you're out at night, never have your neck exposed. I was the only dummy there with a towel wrapped around my neck. I took the water taxi down to San Pedro, where they told me the nightlife was happening. I went to the chicken drop. It's just like bingo. If a chicken poops on your number, you win. The chicken are well protected. They even have their own security.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're getting ready to start off with round number one. Hold on, stop.
What part of the game is it when you ask a grown man to blow in a chicken's ass? You heard me right. Blow in the chicken's ass. Let me show you what I'm talking about.
I'm not going to blow a chicken spot all night long. So get close as possible and blow. You ready? After the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Blow!
Yeah, I won $50, but I had enough of that. So I took the water taxi back to Cape Kork. So after I walked around for a little bit, it was a group of people and they were all pointing to the sky and they were talking about this huge bird that will eat fish right out of your hand, but nobody was brave enough to do it. So I said, you know what? I'm game. What's the worst thing that could possibly happen?
Oh my God. I'm feeding pterodactyls in Belize. I just hope I don't fall in the damn water.
He's coming, he's finding his angle.
God. He's coming in like a fighter jet. Oh my God.
Look down, don't look up.
Come on, this is suspense is killing me. Just take it. Oh my God.
He's coming.
Oh shit.
So I survived the bird feeding, but now it was time to feed the killer tarpon. That's what I wanted to do. Now, there was a guy before me who wanted to do the kiss of death. That's when you put the fish in your mouth and then you bend down and let the tarpon snatch the fish out your mouth. Now, tarpon is a very aggressive, muscular fish with a hinged jaw. So the guy did it, and the tarpon jumped up and broke his jaw. He was bleeding everywhere, and he got up and he looked at me and was like, "Fuck yeah, your turn." No, I wasn't doing that. But I did feed him. I'm in Belize feeding killer tarpon. Holy shit. All right. Great, go for it. Oh. You said if it bites my hand off, you'll take me to the hospital, right?
I will.
All right. Come on, big guy. Come on. Oh, shit! Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. Stay safe.